when I met with the president several times on what do we need to do, at NASA, it really came down to three priorities. American leadership in the ultimate high ground of space, return to the moon, build a moon base, prepare for the next giant leap to Mars. Number two, ignite the orbital economy.
Yeah.
For 60 years now, the space economy comes down to launch, observation, and communications. That has not changed. And that's kind of concerning because when we talk about a space economy, it's really more like a terrestrial economy. It's lots of people with lots of private capital, which is good, especially from some of the wealthiest people in the world, making investments in space. But we actually haven't found anything that takes advantage of the unique environment of microgravity or lunar regolith or other elements where we can get more value out than we put in.
Space tourism.
And that's a problem. even space tourism, to be very honest. I mean, over like a 30 some odd year history, you can measure it. You can count the number of like space tourists on two hands. So we actually need to crack the code. For all mankind, it was helium-3 on the moon, which we don't have a lot of it here on Earth, but we do have some of it. There's certainly more of it on the moon. Whatever it is, almost all good sci-fi shows are based on some sort of space dust or something else out there, spice, where you can unlock lots of value. And that way, the future we all want to see in space isn't perpetually dependent on taxpayers. We're never going to have lots of space stations and orbital outposts everywhere if it's always the taxpayers funding the bill. So to your point, the show is great because it shows a true, space orbital economy, and we need to ignite one here on Earth.